your girl, and I'm coming live to you guys in the beautiful Las Vegas. We're at the Dell Tech World 2019, and today I have a visitor for you guys. It's my girl, Karen. Karen, introduce yourself to the audience and out there.
I'm Karen Lopez. I'm a data evangelist. I'm Data Chick on Twitter, and I know Data Chick, and I mostly do things data. So.
Wow, data. So this is not going to be your normal podcast, not like the CTO Advisor podcast. Today we're going to be having a lot of fun. We're going to be talking about AI, artificial intelligence, and what it means today in today's technology world. So Karen, tell all of us. Let's talk about it. What do you think?
Just in general, what do I think of AI?
Yeah, just what do you think?
I welcome our robot overlords. I think it's just going to make my life easier, but there's going to be some trade-offs.
I probably tend to agree with you on that. I had a class that the professor was challenging us to do a paper on AI, and I had a harder time because I don't really believe in it.
Okay.
I'm the type of person that don't believe that artificial intelligence should take away jobs.
Ah, I see. But what if computers are better at doing a task, like analyzing mammography images? What if they're more accurate and they don't get tired? They don't make any decisions. They just do analysis. Like some AI makes decisions.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, so you're talking about artificial intelligence making certain decisions, but not completely.
Just analyzing an image and saying there's an anomaly here.
So I read a paper on that not too long ago. They did a survey where a group of people sat down at a computer. Mm-hmm. The computer was supposed to be identifying that person. Then at that point, it was supposed to fill in some information on that person. Yep. A certain group of people, I don't want to be.
I will. So, I mean, it actually came up in one of the guru talks here at Dell Tech World.
Okay.
Women of color are treated the worst by artificial intelligence when it comes to facial recognition. And there was just a news story about it too, where a woman of color was identified as being, of looking the same as one of the terrorists in a recent attack. And they spread her picture around, even though she wasn't anywhere near that
particular event.
That incident, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in the article, it had the woman of color.
Yeah.
She put on a mask.
Yeah.
And it was able to identify her, but not as the person that was sitting at the computer, but someone else. So, how is that possible?
So that's a type of artificial intelligence where you just look at a flat definition of a face. So yes, that has problematics. You can use masks and dolls and puppets and anything, right? So, but real security-based things where it's very important, so things like Windows Hello, it doesn't just use the image. It uses these infrared cameras that are looking at not just a flat picture, but like how, what the distance from the tip of your nose to your cheek, and it's looking at it as you move, almost like the Xbox, right? Okay. So that is harder to fool with just a mask or something like that, right?
So is Dell improving up on that technology, or are they going to be leading the way?
I'm not sure about that. I don't know if they have that type of technology, but I think if we had a Dell rep here, they'd say they'd be powering the servers behind it all.
So you're for the artificial intelligence, and I'm against it.
Yeah. So I don't know that. So I'm for certain uses of it.
Okay.
A lot of the artificial intelligence stories are like in manufacturing, detecting, improper welds. That's something a human can't do by looking at it.
Okay.
And we've done it in the past. We did it with photography or cameras, and then it could do light stuff. Mm-hmm. But now they can, use all these senses that we don't have, like infrared, like pressure, and all this other stuff that we can't do. So that type of automation and artificial intelligence, I want that to happen.
You want that to happen.
I want cars not to break. I want planes not to fall out of the sky because of bad welding.
I do agree with you on that. We travel a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
And we don't want that to happen during those flights.
Yeah, so, I had a 5-hour delay because a blade broke on my plane, So I wanted that not to happen.
So I guess since artificial intelligence is needed
Yeah.
in today. When it comes to just educating people on more information, it's just not your simple things. It's more of a bigger, broader.
Right, and I mean, ethics in AI is a big topic right now, because it is being misused, and it is, one of the things is artificial intelligence and machine learning, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence. We're finding that if you train the machine with just a subset of models, you have the same problem we had with crash test dummies, right? They were originally the 80th percentile man or the 90th percentile man, and we killed a lot of women and children because our crash tests were all about not killing the 90th percentile man, who doesn't have the same body shape and the same center of gravity as we do.
Okay.
So we have that same sort of problem with AI, where people are doing facial recognition, but they don't have a truly representative set of data to train the machines on.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. So I guess you're kind of pushing me towards the not to be so fearful.
Well, but it's not something to be for or against the actual technology, like anything. It's about how people use it.
I think you are absolutely right. We use it every day. I use it on my iPad.
Yeah.
That's artificial intelligence with the face recognition.
Yeah.
I use it on my phone. So, for me, I think the fear when you hear artificial intelligence, you immediately go to, oh, this is getting ready to replace people. And in Hollywood, we see all these scary movies about how the artificial intelligence becomes so intelligent. It eliminates,
Maybe that's what we need.
Maybe that's what, who knows? However, this has been a blast just getting educated on what is artificial intelligence, not in just being conformed to a box sort of, but opening up your mind to a broader span of knowing what that means.
Yeah.
I so appreciate you just continuing to educate me. You are truly intelligent and beautiful.
Oh, you're too kind.
Thank you for coming on. If everybody want to find you and learn more about artificial intelligence, where can they reach you?
Okay, I blog at datamodel.com, but I'm always on Twitter at DataChick.
And if you want to reach me, my Twitter handle is the Mrs. CTO on Twitter. Thanks you guys for tuning in.